Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you must have read by the thumbnail, today's video is a nail routine video. I'll be showing you guys the routine that I follow to take care of my nails and cuticles. Also in this video, I'll be creating this fall November nails, and this is for everyone. I won't be using any extra tools or anything. It's a basic nail care routine that can be followed by everyone, either it's a beginner or anyone. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Start with removing my old nail paint, for which I'm using Faces Canada's nail enamel remover. This remover is really good. It doesn't have that strong and foul smell which you can't tolerate, plus it's affordable and it doesn't affect your nails in any way. It's not kind of harmful or anything. And I'm using these cotton pads from Safe. These are okayish, I can work with them. The Faces Canada nail paint remover removes your nail paint very easily, although I have to struggle a little bit here because I applied glitter nails and glitter nail paints are kind of hard to remove, so that is why it took me more time. And guys, I'll link all the products in the description below so you can check that out. I'll firstly remove the nail paint off camera and come back. This is how my nails look now, and now I'll be applying this cuticle oil. This is a mixture of almond oil, olive oil and few other oils. I know this because I read the ingredients. It's organic. I ordered it online. I'll link it in the description. But what you can do is either create it on your own, it's really easy, or simply use coconut oil and massage it onto your nails and the skin around your nails to soften the skin. Now take your nail cutter. You know your nail cutter has those two things. One is like knife and another is the one that I'm using. You have to use this and gently pull out the skin around your nails. It will remove the dead skin and the excess skin on your nails. And now the next step is to file your nails. I like to keep my nails in the natural shape that they are. I just file them a little bit. Generally, we don't apply cuticle oil before doing the filing and removing the dead skin, but I do that step because it makes your skin soft and it doesn't hurt that way. So you can either skip that process or follow it. And then what I do is wash my hands with soap and then I remove any extra skin around my nails. This is how my nails look. Now again I'll be applying the cuticle oil, and this time I won't massage it. I'll just leave it onto my nails and around my skin for like 10 minutes. Till then I'll be looking for some inspiration for my nails. Now for the nail art, I'll be using this nail paint from Color in shade Choco Drip 146. It's vegan nail lacquer. It dries really quickly. It's my favorite shade, so I'll be using this for the base. Also, I couldn't find any inspiration, so I just took 4-5 pics and I kind of made my own design. So yeah, you will be seeing this design which is created by me. Also, I'll link my Pinterest in the description so that you guys can have some inspo for your nails. For the nail art, I'll be using this Blue Heaven Bling nail paint. It's in shade Yellow Daisy 151. I'll be creating abstract from this and I'll draw some random shapes with this. Now I'll be using this nail paint from Disguise. It's in shade Grey Cloud 121 and I'll be creating petal shapes on the abstract shapes that I created with the yellow nail art, as you can see. I created these leafy shades on both my hands and I didn't kind of liked it. It was very, light. I just went over with the black nail paint from Disguise again and it's in Wreckless Black 122. I went over on the grey one and created the same petal shape and then I just pressed on the leafy art that I created to kind of give the thumbprints on it. Now for the last step, I am using this nail paint from Disguise. It's in shade Crystal Clear 100. I'll be using this as top coat to secure the nail art and this way the nail paint stays longer. So I suggest everyone to always apply a top coat on your nail paint, either you create nail art or not. So in daylight, this is how my left hand nails look and here is the look after I increase the brightness. Here is how my right hand nails look and I really love this nail art. I am so proud of myself. I'm so creative when it comes to my nails. This was it for today's video. I hope you loved my nails and this nail art was my personal design. I didn't copy that from anywhere. I just saw some inspiration and I didn't like them enough for the fall, so I kind of mixed few of the nail art designs and made my own. If you love the design, do let me know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. This was it for the video. Thank you for watching it. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.